Today is a very special edition of Sales Pitch because it marks the 1-year anniversary of these segments. Time flies when you're having fun. Over the past year, we've tackled a lot of topics to help MSPs grow their business. To celebrate, I wanted to take a look back on some of my favorite episodes. So let's roll the clip. Hi, my name's Keith Marchiano, and I'm a senior executive coach here at PAX 8 Academy. I'm from Baltimore, Maryland, and I fell in love with the game of baseball. The home run, the dinger, the long fly ball, the tater. Since I'm a baseball guy and this is Sales Pitch, let me give you an analogy. Whatever you do during the next 30 days will typically impact your business 60 to 90 days from now. By having an ideal prospect, you can be more focused. Are you a wish, want, or make it happen person? Let's touch all the bases on some of the things that we'll cover in Result Selling Framework. You're not selling, you're solving problems. If you build it, they will come. There's no crying in baseball. You're killing me, Smalls. Don't be a lollygagger. A full pipeline cures all ills. Batter up. Develop a skill of patience, build familiarity, and build trust. That's how you get the base hits. This has been a wonderful experience hosting Sales Pitch every week. I love movies and I love the game of baseball, so I wanted to make these segments a lot of fun by quoting or doing a skit around some of my favorite baseball movies. Creating Result Selling Framework as an easy way for both technical and salespeople to sell is a phenomenal resource I hope you all are taking advantage of. What you may not know is I have an incredible PAX 8 Studios team that makes me look really good. I definitely make a lot of mistakes and goof ups, and we've had a lot of laughs as well over the last year. So let's take a look at some of the bloopers and funny moments and me goofing up from this past year. Hi, I'm Keith Marchiano, and I'm excited to bring you On today's Sales Pitch, what a famous movie quote from the movie, re-record that. Contract, edit that. I forgot to touch all the bases on this one, I just realized it. Now, we good? Okay, edit, because I forgot the quote. See which one of them you have the most, see which one of those, sorry. Let it breathe, okay. Hat on, okay? There we go. Set realize. Boy, I can't talk. Oh, I didn't do that. I got it. Yeah, I think I stuttered through that one. Ask yourself, when evaluating products or tools, I was kind of ad-libbing there. 3. Three. In baseball, I'm going to start over. By executing repetitive tasks seamlessly, gosh, my tongue. Let's touch all the bases on 4 things So, I'm going to redo that because that came out really bad. And selling service, like I'm looking up at the coach. And the revenue that is generating, it is the goal. I keep saying generating. Problem finder. So it's a match. Cut. I love the fact that I get to share my knowledges. Oop. How'd I do there? I was stumbling and bumbling there out of the gate, but I don't like that sentence at all. I'm taking it out of there. Now I've got the coughing fits. I hope I've helped at least you help. Do that again. Around your Jeez. Spam. So let your salespeople. Sales is similar. Yeah. Do it again. Edit. I goofed up on this one part. Hang on. Time out real quick. How was my audio, by the way? Redo that again. Okay. That's it. As you can see, it's been a fun journey being able to share all these things I've learned, even the mistakes I've made when I was in the MSP world. In doing these, I've learned a lot. It's actually helped me look back when I was in sales and when I was running my MSP to really kind of remember the things that made me successful and also the things that I struggled with that a lot of you do. To me, those sales skills are just muscle memory. Putting the things that I've learned and the skills I've obtained into those segments is just my way of paying back the MSP community that's been so good to me. I hope these tips and ideas help your business. So thank you for tuning in. Keep watching. Now go grow your business and play ball.